it needs it. So, Motul USA sent me some classic 90s oil to use. It already has zinc added, so I won't have to do that separately, which is what I typically have to do. So, yeah. How many courses is this? I need 4. Math. What's 5.5 divided by 2.11? Here, grab that yellow microfiber and put it over the front. Should be fun. Let's keep going. Fucking prep. Here. Oh, it's almost there. There we go. Alright, pull it down. Definition of anxiety. Oh yay, my oil pan's leaking. I'm gonna go flashlight.
Insert Arthur Fist.
I thought this is gonna explode if I turn it on. Oil drain plug, as you can see, it's leaking everywhere. Because I know what I'm doing 100%. This is how you do an oil change.
This is your thumbnail, by the way.
Oh, fuck. Under my clothes.
It's hard having such a fat ass.
Doing the worm. First, you connect. That is tightening. I don't want that.
You look cool at leak. My power steering.
Good. Oh my god, wait.
Yummy.
It's not oil. I'll wipe it on the leaf. HD goop. Okay. Some of my brakes don't work. Look at that side. Oh my god. Wow. That could kill me.
This looks good. Add it to the pile.
Fits before I do this. Oh, it does. It's called being probably don't need the extension. Yes,
No.
I do. No? Typically, you should use gloves. But I'm not, because I hate myself. I'm also not going to do my oil filter because I change it every 10,000 miles. And it's only been like 1,500 miles. Since buying the door. This is the worst angle ever. Oh. Minty.
Your thumbnail opportunities right now. The lighting is beautiful.
Biscuit, come here.
Biscuit.
Biscuit, come here. Biscuit. He's ignoring us.
He's not.
Biscuit, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here. Come on, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. What if he's gonna inch over under here? Biscuit, come here. No? Hey, get my thumbnail. Come here. Come on. Come here. Get in here. Come here. Come here. No? Come here. Oh, wait, no, I have oil on my hands. Okay.
Everybody on Instagram. You guys are so interesting.
Oh my god, you're so quirky.
Oh my god, the vibe.
What a car girl. She changed her own oil. Where the fuck is my wrench? Okay. I recommend actually using the handle of the socket wrench. I'm special. Biscuit, what are you doing? Get your ass out of there. I am, so that's good. Okay. This is where the oil goes. And because the cans I got are different from what I usually use, which is this. This is like, what, 5 quarts? Yeah. And my car takes 5.5. So I did the math, and it's going to be about 2.5 of the cans that are over there. So, yeah. And I don't know how it opens.
A little twisty.
Tags now. Yeah, it does. Like I'm opening a can of almond milk. Oh, I squeezed it. Oh, I squeezed it more. Alright, whatever. This is gonna be hard. I forgot to add that I usually use 5W30 and this is 10W30. But I was kind of planning on switching because I have a slight like valve tap or rattle when I accelerate. So I think that Fickle oil might help with it. But we will see. Third one, I'm only gonna go about halfway down because that's all I think I need. That's full. Nice. Check one more time. I'm paranoid. forgot to tighten my coolant hose. Yeah, that's full. Fuck, I forgot to tighten my coolant hose though. Damn it. My gas tank works again.
There you go.
Fucking God. I'm gonna fight someone. It works great. Like and subscribe. Bye.